how to find your saved Reels on Instagram on both iPhone or Android devices. So if you've saved a bunch of Instagram Reels that you need to watch later, whether it's a recipe, an entertaining or educational video, then let's see how you can find all of those saved videos in just a few steps. We'll open the Instagram application on our device, and I'm going to save a couple of Instagram Reels from my Reels page because I want to watch them later. So I've saved 3 Reels, and let's say I need to find them. Go over to your Instagram profile section and then tap on the 3 lines at the top right corner of the screen. As you can see, I'm on my Instagram settings page, and our next step is to find the Saved button that's under the How You Use Instagram section. We have this collection, so we will click on it, and that's going to open the page where we have all of our saved Instagram posts, as well as the saved Reels. You want to select this Reel icon at the top if you want to see your saved Instagram Reels. As you can see, we have these 3 Instagram Reels, which I had saved at the beginning of this video. And I can also see all other Instagram Reels, which I had saved with this Instagram account. And that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching and enjoy.